Hello everyone. How many of you have checked your phone and answered a text while trying to study for an exam or complete an assignment? Multitasking is part of our everyday lives, but do we really understand what it does to our brains and our productivity? We'll explore some common myths and realities backed by science. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to identify common myths about multitasking, understand the specific realities of multitasking, describe the effects of multitasking on the brain. Apply this knowledge to improve your own study habits and productivity. Let's start with some myths. A popular belief is that multitasking makes us more efficient. You might think that by handling multiple tasks at once, you're saving time. Another myth is that some people, especially the younger generations, are naturally better at multitasking because they've grown up with technology. However, research consistently shows that what we think of as multitasking is actually task switching. When you think you're multitasking, you're really shifting your attention back and forth between tasks, which leads to reduced efficiency and increased errors. Now, let's get into the realities. Studies have shown that our brains are not designed to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. When we try to do this, our cognitive processes are split, leading to a phenomenon called cognitive load. This means our brains are overworked and cannot process information effectively. Imagine you're trying to write an essay while listening to a podcast. Your brain has to switch between processing the information from the podcast and constructing coherent sentences for your essay. This consistent switching can slow you down and result in lower quality work. To understand why multitasking doesn't work, we need to look at the brain. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision making and attention, plays an important role here. When you focus on a single task, this part of your brain can effectively manage the process. But when you add more tasks, the prefrontal cortex has to divide its attention, leading to a decrease in performance. A famous study from Stanford University compared groups of people who regularly multitask and those who prefer to focus on one task at a time. The results were clear. Heavy multitaskers performed worse in tasks requiring focus and attention. An interesting analogy to understand this is to think of your brain as a computer. Just like a computer can slow down when running multiple applications at once, our brains can become overwhelmed when tackling several tasks. This can lead to slower processing time and decreased accuracy in completing tasks. Multitasking is more myth than reality. While it might seem like a good way to get more done, it often leads to reduced productivity and increased stress. Our brains are wired to focus best on one task at a time, and understanding this can help us work smarter, not harder. For your assignments, I would like you to try single tasking for a week. Pick a few tasks and focus on them one at a time. Record your productivity and compare it to your usual multitasking habits. Additionally, I recommend reading The Myth of Multitasking by Dave Crenshaw, which offers a deeper understanding of the concepts we've discussed today. Thank you for your attention today. Understanding how your brain works can significantly enhance your productivity and well-being. I look forward to hearing about your experiences with single tasking next week. Have a great day.